To call the next speaker, Krishnandu Roy from class 9. And his topic is on fighting corruption.
Let me begin by asking a question. Can a tree grow strong if the root is full of worms? No, right? In the same way, our country cannot grow strong if the system is full of corruption. Good morning to my respected principal sir, judges, teachers, and everyone present over here. This is me, Krishnan Roy from class 9. Today I am very glad to be here and speak on a topic fighting corruption. What is corruption? Corruption means dishonest, illegal behavior, especially by the people who is in power. It includes bravery, misusing of authority, fraud, and even favoritism. It not only affect the poor, it also affect the entire nation development. So there are many places where we can see corruption today. But let's take some real example where of corruption, how it deeply rooted into our system. So number one, politics. In India, politics, corruption is sadly very common. The politician often buy votes by giving money, gifts, even alcohol. They distribute alcohol to the peoples for one vote. Just can you imagine that for alcohol? So, and also they did very big scam like 2G spectrum scam in 2007, Bhayapam scam in 1990s, and also Commonwealth game scam in 2010. There are many big scams by which the politicians looted the public. They take money from the public. And in India, there are many politics and leaders who faces very serious cases like murder, fraud, and even more rape. We can see recently one rape cases. But there are many politicians like this, but they get elected because of the power and money influence. So also there are many leaders and politicians who promise for big development to the people. But what actually happened? The budget that came from the government, they take it and they steal it by making a fraud bill, working up poor quality of works, and many more things. And in result, people faces accident. Even people lost their life. And this is very sad for our India. And number two, our judiciary system. Our judiciary system is made for our good, for justice, for independence, and for our. It should be also we should have justice and equality. But sadly, I have to say that even that is not free from corruption. There are many reports that shows that how the judges take brave and they slow down or speed up the cases. In India, common people may wait for 10 to 2 years for justice, but a rich criminal who did a very big and worst things, they get bill in 24 hours or less than 24 hours with right connection. And also, rather than politics and judiciary system, we people and citizens of India also doing corruption. Like some people, they giving bribe to the police and many officers of government for their self-benefit. And also we can see some people not raising their voice when they see corruption or wrong thing around us. We should not do that. So, well, if there is problem, there is solution also. We think that the government only can fix the corruption, but the truth is that we all have a role to play in fighting against corruption. So let us tell me some points how we can stop corruption. Number one, We should say no to bribes. Though it is very easy to take and give, we should follow the rules and regulation of our country. We should choose a leader not based on caste, religion, or language. We should follow the every instruction which is written in our constitution. So, friends, as we, it is not possible that we can change whole India in one day, but we can change by changing by ourselves. Let us not be quiet. Let us not ignore the wrong things. Let us speak truth. Let us live honestly and inspire others. Because our India is not made by power or money. It is made by truth and responsibility. So, my dear friends, we should be have some responsibility, and we should be honest, and also we should speak and raise our voice against the corruption if we see, so that we can make a better India and India as a better place. As Gandhiji says, the future depends on what we do today. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Krishnandu, for your powerful words on corruption. Our next speaker is from class 12, Kim, and her topic is Women Should Rule the World.